So baptism means that you want to baptize and believe in Jesus and believe in him and trust in him and what he's done for you. And he got baptized to it, and it's good to do and follow Jesus what he does.
I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided to follow Jesus. No turning back. No turning back. The world behind